still have time to get your COVID vaccine at IMS. Tuesday morning, the health department sent out alerts through FEMA to people in Marion County and the surrounding areas. State officials say they're expanding on the decision to use Indiana's emergency alert system to spread the word about mass vaccination sites. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Lindsay Weaver said they did it to make sure that Hoosiers knew the Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer vaccine were available and that there were no appointments needed.
There are many people, including vulnerable populations, who would otherwise not be aware of the opportunity to get vaccinated. We have been told that the alert was the first time that they are aware of our mass vaccination clinics. And we saw the number of people double at both sites after the alert went out.
Dr. Weaver says the alert helped save lives. The mass vaccination clinic goes through tomorrow. The Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer vaccine are both available there through Friday. Additional clinics are being planned for May 10th, 17th, and 24th.